The DataGrabber with Bluetooth is a self-contained unit enabling a wireless connection to any smart device using the DataMaster L6 app. To use the DataGrabber with Bluetooth, place it inside a RapidRH L6 smart sensor and push down until it snaps in place. Then, open the free DataMaster L6 app on your smart device. When you are within range of an L6 smart sensor containing a DataGrabber with Bluetooth, it will appear on the list inside the device's screen of the DataMaster app. If you have placed multiple DataGrabbers with Bluetooth, the closest unit will appear at the top of the list and show you the highest signal strength. Select the DataGrabber device you wish to configure and choose settings to name the device, view acclimation time, set the interval time for the DataGrabber with Bluetooth to take periodic time-stamped readings. Once installed, the DataGrabber with Bluetooth fits into the L6 sensor, leaving room to replace the rubber pull tab on the cap for long-term monitoring. Remove the DataGrabber by using the included removal tool to pull up on the small handle on top. If the DataMaster app shows the battery in your DataGrabber is low on charge, replacement is a simple 4-step process. First, carefully remove the screws near the top with a small Phillips head screwdriver and remove the cover. Then, tip the DataGrabber upside down and tap the bottom of the unit carefully to dislodge the battery into your palm. Place the battery within the well positive side where the text is located, facing up. Push the battery into the well, being careful to avoid using excessive force. Lastly, replace the cover and tighten both screws to hand tight.